Hello, my friends. Do you like 5x7 cards? Stay tuned. I have an amazing die to share with you. But first, we have a couple other dies that are new to our website today. A folded that says, "Oh, baby." And let me tell you, these baby blocks are adorable. Look at this, you guys. Look at how cute those are. Oh, baby. Imagine somebody getting a brand new baby and you could give them a cute little baby blocks that say, "Oh, baby." I love it. Or perfect for a first birthday as well, right? Love it. And it's A2 in size, fits in a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 envelope. We also have, and I know this doesn't look like much, but I have a big story to tell you in just a second about this one. This is table cards. So if you ever have anyone over for dinner and you need to have table cards, guess what? You're going to want this die set. This is the die set I designed for my Thanksgiving table in 2023. It was so hard not to show it to you back then, but I have the sample to share with you that I made for our Thanksgiving table. So stay tuned for that. Last but not least, 5x7 jumbo scalloped rectangles. Look at this, you guys. What? I know, aren't those gorgeous? So gorgeous. You can make a 5x7 card and you do not need a bigger machine. Wait, what did I just say? You do not need a bigger machine. This will fit in a standard 6-inch machine. Yay! Now, will it fit in your midi? No, your mini? No. It'll fit in your midi though, and other 6-inch machines. Now, look at how adorable, and it comes with lots of layering dies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 layering dies, and look at how cute. You can layer them. Just put them on a 5x7 card and layer them if you want to. Or make a 5x7 card out of them. Love that. That's using the Happy Birthday drop-in envelope liner and the confetti panel. I don't know if that's out yet. That might be a sneak peek. I'll have to check on that one. Look at how cute this one is. Congrats. Put an A2 card, an A2 fold-it card right there. That's our graduation cap and our mini slimline diploma on there as well. Fill up this card. Look at that. Oh, and our cute little owl. Our little owl Pudgy. I love it. Or look at this gorgeous thing. Use one of our hibiscus flowers. This is the A2 hibiscus flower on the 5x7 using our dotted 5x7 layering dies as well. Now, before I show you the table cards, let's look at some more oh babies, because oh baby, look at that. Or oh baby, or oh my word. Oh, let's show you this one first. Oh baby with the cute little butterfly, the beautiful butterfly. My friends, if you do not have the beautiful butterfly, I need you to run and go get it because it's amazing, right? Look how gorgeous it is. Look how cute that is. Now, what about doing a slimline box set? Are you ready for this? Look at that. We have our little baby bottle, our little rattle, our little baby carriage, and oh baby on there. Oh, how fun to give this to somebody that just had a baby or they just found out they're going to have a baby. Oh, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Now, and this is the die, this is the kind of die that you don't know you need it until you need it. So get it now while it's on flash sale, because you never know when you're going to need it, and when you need it, you're not going to have it, right? It's one of those that you don't know you need it, but pretty soon you're going to need it, but you're not going to have it, so you better get it, right? It's one of those weird ones. Okay, this is the one. So our Thanksgiving table, our Thanksgiving table last year was silver and white. So I made everybody a table place card with the silver pumpkin, and I stamped in cloud, I think that's cloud, maybe storm ink. Beautiful. Look how beautiful that is using our foil paper. Now, I don't want you to feel like you are limited. I need you to go to the website and look at all of these, because you guys, you're gonna fall over. Birthday, perfect for a birthday with the little, look at that, Lucy. Oh my goodness. Or look, use the wedding bells for Christmas. Or you could use a balloon. So there's lots of options in here, you guys. Let me show you. You are getting bell. You're getting a balloon. You're getting a leaf. Your leaf perfect for spring or fall. You're getting a pumpkin. You're getting a bow, so the bow could be for the bells, and you're getting a flower. And you can use any other small dies that you have, right? So the choice is yours. Now, add some ovals on there. You guys, this one, any party you have, anytime you have something at your church, you have a church event, you can offer to make the table cards. Now, and my friends, this can also, you can have them on the table blank. And when the people sit down, have a pen on the table and have them write their own name. So if they're at a group, my mom does a lot of ladies groups, you might not know everybody at the table. You might not want to wear a name tag. Well, have them write their name so people at the table will know their name, right? Do double-sided. And it also comes with layering die. So it comes with a layering die frame or a fun little mini scallop label. Layering die. So here's that little label. Oh my goodness, you guys, look how cute those are. You can literally go crazy. The team did. I mean, I have all these to show you. So here we have names. So you can use our alphabet dies if you want to. Carol, look at this, you guys. Riley, Cheryl did her whole family. Here we have a cute little fun balloon. Here's more wedding bells or Christmas bells. Here's some more balloons. Oh my goodness, enjoy. You can also use this to put what you're serving at your buffet. So have a little card that says, this is macaroni and cheese, or this is organic whipped cream, or whatever you want. Add the stamps from Wagon to Stamp. You guys, this one you are going to use for any time. Any event that you go to at your church or your recreation center that you need some cute little decorations. When you have a buffet, when you have people sitting down at a table, so many different options. I can't wait to see what you create. Now, my friends, you know the deal. Club members, yes, you're getting a club discount, 15% off. Oh, but some club members aren't getting 15% off because they're getting 20% off. I know. You guys, I wasn't popular in high school, so I'm just paying you guys to be my friends. That's what I'm doing. I'm literally giving you so many discounts. It's like I'm paying you to be my friend. Thank you so much. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. Go check out our online gallery as well. Every single item on our website has an idea gallery that will get your creative juices flowing. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.
you so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.